Keke Palmer's new crime comedy is the vibrant, high-stakes heist movie you need to see. I Love Boosters already feels like a standout spring release, starring Keke Palmer, Naomi Ackie, and Eiza González with a colorful, creative, artsy style. The trailer left a lasting impression, and while it's one of the year's wackiest films, here's everything you need to know before it hits theaters. This new crime comedy follows a group of shoplifters in a fashion-forward technicolor world who choose a wealthy fashionista as their next target. Not only are the art design and the plot creative, but the performances are also already catching my attention. I Love Boosters is clearly giving the whole cast the opportunity to do something different than they've done in the past, and I'm eating it up. The I Love Boosters cast includes Keke Palmer, Naomi Ackie, Taylour Paige, Poppy Liu, Eiza González, LaKeith Stanfield, Poulter, Cheadle, Demi Moore, Jason Ritter, Cara Young, and Kerris Dorsey, making it a star-packed ensemble fans are excited to see together. I Love Boosters is coming to theaters on May 22nd, 2026. I will definitely be there. Maybe I'll even wear something colorful and creative to match the cast. The movie is originally premiering at the SXSW Film Festival on March 12, 2026. I Love Boosters was filmed in Atlanta during the fall of 2024. The movie was written and directed by Boots Riley, who's previously worked on Sorry to Bother You and I'm a Virgo.